we are back again with another set of information for you all. So in this video we will particularly discuss about CG PET, and I hope most of the viewers for this video are from Chhattisgarh or the neighboring states only, because CG PET is something related to Chhattisgarh, but students around the country will find this video and this information useful because it will help the students who are aspiring for engineering. So without wasting any time, let's just begin with our today's discussion. So guys, CG PET stands for Chhattisgarh Pre-Engineering Test. It is conducted by the Chhattisgarh Professional Examination Board. So this particular exam is a state exam which is conducted on national level for giving admissions to students in the BTech courses in the colleges of Chhattisgarh. So guys, almost 41 colleges of Chhattisgarh accept the score of PET. So some of these colleges are Government Engineering College Bilaspur, Government Engineering College Jagdalpur, Government Engineering College Raipur, Billai Institute of Technology, Raipur Institute of Technology, JK Institute of Engineering Bilaspur, and many others. So if we talk about in a detailed manner about this exam, so this exam is conducted in offline manner. That is, it is conducted on the basis of pen and paper test, and in total it is having 150 questions. And if we talk about the marking scheme, so 1 mark is given for a right answer, and there is a good news for you guys that there is no negative marking in this particular exam, and you are given 3 hours for completing it. And if we talk about the sections which are covered in this exam, so physics, chemistry and maths are particularly covered within it. Now, another very important thing that we need to know for this exam is the eligibility criteria. So, the appearing candidate for the PET exam must have completed their 12th standard from a recognized state board with physics and maths as compulsory subjects and biology or chemistry or biotechnology or technical vocational courses as the optional subjects. But for doing BTech in biotechnology, the student must have studied biology instead of maths as the compulsory subject. So guys, you need to note one thing over here, that the eligibility criteria is same for the NRI students and for the Indian national students also. There is no difference for these two. And if we talk about the scoring, so it is necessary that the student must have scored 45% in their 12th standard, and for the reserved category it is 40%. And in addition to this, it is very important for the appearing candidates to give a proof of their residence. And if we talk about the age limit, so the maximum age is 30 years and the minimum age is 17 years as of 31st December 2022. So that's it for the eligibility criteria, which is same for the NRI and the Indian students, as I have told you. Now, if you want to just register for this exam and you are really interested in giving this exam, then you can just visit the official website, which is vayapan.cgstate.gov.in. So you can just visit this website and apply for the exam, and you can even gather more information related to this exam through this website. Now coming with the application fees for the different categories. So guys, for the general category, the application fee is rupees 200. For OBC, it is rupees 150, and for SC, ST and PWD, it is rupees 100. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you liked it, then do click on the like button and do share it with your other friends also. And if you're new to this channel, you know what you have to do. Just quickly go and subscribe it and click on the bell icon to stay updated and stay connected with the Test Prep Card channel. And if you're having any doubts or any queries, then you can ask them in the comment section, or you can even contact the Test Prep Card team, the link for which is given below in the description box. And yes, the NRI students can also contact us, as we are always there to help them and guide them with all the necessary information. So that's it for this video. Thank you. See you soon. Take care. Bye.